Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Nissan Qashqai. It's a Nissan Connect system. So from any screen, if we go to Setup here, click on Setup, you've got on this menu Telephone and Bluetooth. Click on Telephone and Bluetooth. You've got Pair New Devices, Select Pair Devices, Delete Paired Devices. Obviously that's the one we want. I want to delete Barry's iPhone 12 there. Do you want to delete Barry's iPhone 12 Pro from the list? Okay. Barry's iPhone 12 Pro is deleted. If you want to connect again, please, whatever, that said it went off too quick. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Nissan Qashqai. So first of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is on. So Bluetooth on, and then we're watching out at the bottom here. But over to the system, and we click Setup. Onto Setup, onto Telephone and Bluetooth, Pair New Device. Please start pairing with Nissan Connect from your Bluetooth device. If the device requests a PIN, please enter 1234. Right, well, we'll see this because Nissan Connect's showing up there. We press Nissan Connect, and now it's generated a random PIN. So you don't have to put anything in if you do it this way. So all you have to do is check that the pins match, and they do. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow connected over there, and let's find it here, Nissan Connect connected. So that's real easy. Now if you go to your music, oh no, that's Instagram. So if you go to your music and you click the silver triangle with the 3 silver circles, you'll see Nissan Connect there with a little tick next to it. Now that means whatever plays, whatever audio is playing on your phone, if you've got this set up right, the audio will play through here, whether it be Spotify, Amazon Prime, Amazon Music, or whatever, or the audio off a YouTube video. So I'm going to turn it down, click play. That's it. Click play properly. Then we go over here to auxiliary. If I click auxiliary, you'll see there it's showing Barry's iPhone 12. So I'll turn it up, and it's now showing the record that's playing on my phone. Not because I turned it up, just because it's caught up. Now if I turn this up quickly, there you go. That's it. That's music playing through your system. If for any reason it may be, if you click auxiliary, see that's just on auxiliary. So if your phone doesn't show up straight away, you may have to click auxiliary a couple of times, like so. So the first one is auxiliary. If you had USB in there, then you'd have to go through USB and then to Bluetooth. So that's how you do that. Very good, very simple system. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2017 Nissan Qashqai. So any screen, click the nav button like so. It's saying there new address, click the new address, and we want postcode. It's already got our postcode in, but I'm going to do it again. So the postcode, we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR, and then we need to go to numbers. So up there, the 123 ABC, that swaps it. PR54, it's got defaulted back to letters, JS, and then postcode PR54JS. That's it. Belt and braces, got to click OK.
Follow the road for 3/4 of a mile.
That's it. That's how you do it. One thing I did notice when I got in this car, the display was very, very dark, and it's not because I had my sunglasses on, although that could have been a contributing factor. But up here you see the sun and the moon. Now if you click that knocks it into night mode, but if you click back and you see there, if I turn that, when you've got it on that screen, you can lighten or darken the display. That's how you do that.